It's nighttime. She whispers it.
Today we will be making some popcorn with some peanut butter and chocolate.
Midnight cooking with us, except for it's not midnight.
We're close to midnight. The amount of popcorn in, and this is over year expired. You think it's fine? Put the lid on. Do you think I'll put some butter? Actually, maybe we do.
These goggles are needed for this segment of the video.
Get the ball closer. A little closer.
Ew.
Okay, I think it's done. So we'll move that. Eating the popcorn, then it cuts down. We don't want. Oops.
Okay, now we're gonna make it look pretty and sprinkles too.
Here, chocolate chips.
Here's some sprinkles. Sprinkles are the best part. Some syrup as well. I'm putting my peanut butter on first. Me too.
Okay. Okay. Mix it a bit. 10 out of 10.